Alright guys, hi everyone, welcome back with me again. I'm Yafie Satria Pramawardhana. I'm an English major at University Negeri Malang. Today I want to tell about a little story about my first semester at University Negeri Malang. It's been an interesting story, I think. Uh, a mix about chaos, learning, late night assignment, breakthrough, and then I think a lot of things that memorable. So here's my honest recap of my semester in English department. The good, the stressful, I think, and the unexpectedly fun parts. Alright, let's begin. For the first semester, this semester started with me feeling about excited, nervous, and I want to improve my English, especially in speaking. In my IC class, intensive class, is where people do some introduction, and new classes, and figuring how to survive the assignment, because the transition from the high school to university is quite far, I think, from the assignment, the deadline, and the system of the university. I remember first speaking activity. It's really hard, I think. Yeah. One of my favorite moments this semester was, I think, the group project that speaking with the foreigners, I think. It was fun, chaotic, and actually helped me understand how to use English in real situation, especially with foreigners. And another word that actually fun is, yeah, just assignment, just a group assignment, I think. Not just the content, but also how to communicate better, collaborate with my friends, and manage deadlines. I also try using AI feedback like Gemini. I don't use ChatGPT, I think, lately, yeah, because it doesn't help. Sometimes it felt like having a personal tutor who never get tired. When I look back for my first semester and then in my I think mid to the end semester, fun fact, the foreigners really doesn't care about our perfection in communicate in English. He clearly understand what I say when I try to communicate in group speaking, uh, speaking with foreigners. I think the foreigners is from India and Taiwan, I think. I learned that asking for help doesn't make me weak. If you cannot do anything, just asking for help is that's okay. And I learned that progress is slow, but it's real. For next semester, I want to improve my fluency in English. I want make more relationship, and of course, for my friends that now in semester one, that maybe in second semester we doesn't meet again. I have you're okay, you are more improved, and if you meet me, just you can say hi.
When good friends are going away, will you wish them to remember me? When good old days are passing away, will you promise your heart remains the same?
Yes. So this is our assignment. It's about
Never can we suspend the time, having to leave the tracks behind. There is a longer way ahead.
Thank you.